We are covering how to read the heading indicator, a critical skill for the instrument comprehension subtest of the AFOQT. The instrument comprehension subtest is a high-pressure, timed section where you have just 5 minutes to answer 25 questions, making rapid and accurate interpretation essential for your pilot and combat systems officer composite scores. On this subtest, you'll be presented with 2 dials, an artificial horizon and a heading indicator, and you must select which of 4 aircraft silhouettes matches the instrument readings. Let's focus squarely on the heading indicator, which looks like a compass. The single most important rule is that the number at the very top of the instrument, under the fixed marker known as the lubber line, indicates the aircraft's current heading. This tells you the direction the nose of the aircraft is pointing. North is 0 or 360 degrees, east is 90, south is 180, and west is 270. The exam will often display these as 2-digit numbers, so you'll see 09 for 90, 18 for 180, and 27 for 270. Intermediate directions are also fair game. Northeast is 45 degrees, southeast is 135, southwest is 225, and northwest is 315. Here's a typical exam-style problem. The heading indicator shows the number 27 at the top. The answer choices are 4 aircraft silhouettes viewed from above. Your job is to match the heading to the correct silhouette. Since 270 degrees is west, you must choose the silhouette whose nose is pointing directly to the left of the page. If the indicator showed 36 or 00, you'd pick the silhouette pointing straight up to the top of the page for north. If it showed 13½, indicating 135 degrees, you'd select the aircraft pointing diagonally down and to the right, representing a southeast heading. A major exam trap is focusing on numbers that are not at the top of the dial. Test takers under pressure might glance and see a familiar number, like 18 for south, at the bottom of the dial and incorrectly choose the southward-facing aircraft. Remember, only the number under the top lubber line dictates your heading. Another common confusion point is the perspective of the silhouette. You are always looking down from above the aircraft. North is up, south is down, east is right, and west is left. Don't overcomplicate this visualization. The exam may also try to trick you with reciprocal headings. For example, if you are flying a heading of 090 degrees east, the reciprocal heading is 270 degrees west. A question might try to confuse you with wording about flying from a location, so be precise in matching the instrument to the aircraft's nose direction. To keep this straight during the fast-paced test, use this mental shortcut. Top number tells the nose where it goes. This phrase reinforces that only the number at the very top of the heading indicator matters, and it directly corresponds to the direction the nose of the aircraft silhouette is pointing. Mastering this skill is non-negotiable for a competitive AFOQT score and for demonstrating the aptitude required for Air Force-rated officer careers. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.